So, Kaustav ji, first of all, very, very congratulations for your rank 10 in IIT JAM, and now you are going to IIT Bombay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So, Kaustav, my first question is like that. So, what is your journey like from school to your college for graduation now to IIT?
Sir, I am from a city named Chandannagar in Bengal. I studied in a school here named Sri Aurobindo Vidya Mandir. I studied from the whole of my school life from 1 to 12 in that school. After that, I opted for ISI in my last level, but somehow I couldn't get into there. So I took up statistics honors, bachelor in statistics honors from Saint Xavier's College. It's a very famous college. It's a great college. So I studied statistics from there, and then I uh, sat in the IIT JAM exam, and
So, this is your appearing now, okay?
yeah,
Okay.
this is my first time.
Okay. So, what was your strategy? See, there was your college exam is also going, and the jam preparation is also there. So, how you have managed the both things?
To be honest, I didn't mm, uh, do much for this jam part. Uh, my philosophy was that what I was studying it uh, in depth. I was studying it well. Actually, in our college, the academic pressure is quite high because we have daily assessments, internal assessments, exams, various internal exams. There are the end semester exams. So, apart from all this, you couldn't get much time for for specially preparing for jam. But what is the advantage of my college is that uh, our curriculum is quite well managed. You know, it's managed in such a way that it comes to great help in these exams, in these entrance exams. We are taught the basic things at first, and then we learn the applied topics after at the towards the end of our course. So what I actually did was I was going on studying my college stuffs, and besides this, I divided my routine in my routine in such a way that every day or every 2 or 3 days, every fortnight, I used to practice some problems regarding JAM or ISI or the other entrance exams. So my preparation was like this. And what I did apart from this was I maintained a notebook of my own where I jotted down what I was learning, and every day before going to bed, I went through those notes, and that helped me in brushing up my knowledges. That helped me a lot in reminding various things, various results, formula. Uh, so like this, I didn't specially prepare for them except the last month or 1.5 month. During this time, I dedicated myself towards this examination, the preparation of this examination. I took the examination series, the mock test series of Supremum classes. That also helped me a lot. And every day evening, I used to appear for one mock test. And that, like this, this was my routine.
So, as you told that you took the mock test of Supreme classes in the last month, and you have practiced more on that part. So, in which ways this mock test has helped you in cracking the JAM exam?
The mock test helped me a lot. Actually, in JAM, the focus is mainly on the on the speed, the rapidity you are solving a problem, and this speed comes from practicing again and again and again and again. So as I gave around 17 or 18 mock tests, I was quite confident about giving exams. Like I knew that if I sit for an exam, I can tackle the questions. I can tackle. I have give a lot of exams, and the original JAM exam will also be not fully same, but kind of similar to those exams. There are 30 questions, 3 hours. 60 questions, 50 questions, 3 hours. Those things were same. And moreover, there was another stuff, another important thing to practice, that was using the virtual calculator. We do not use the virtual calculator ever in our life except those exams. And those are virtual calculators. They seem to be simple, but they are actually not. It needs some practice to use those virtual calculators. That also helped me, and continuous practicing, uh, of course, uh, helped me a lot during the preparation. It boosted up my confidence actually.
So, in my perspective, I think giving a mock test not only help student in brushing up the concept, but it also help in the learning the software, learning the virtual calculator, uh, managing their times for 3 hours, sitting confidently for 3 hours. I think so. Thank you. So, my last question is: what is your message for the JAM aspirant for 2024?
Uh, well, for the aspirants, JAM aspirants, I will suggest that don't panic about this exam. You have got 1 year before you. The last year students have 1 year before them. That's a pretty good time, pretty good period of time. You can use that. Students can use that time in an effective way. So I will suggest that what you are studying, study that well. Don't panic about any exam or solving problems now. What you are studying, study that well. Keep your basic core concepts, basic concepts clear, and keep a note of your own. That note helps you a lot to practice, to brush up the stuffs. Because you have to keep a lot of things in your mind for those 3 hours, and that the more you keep in your mind, the better uh, the chance of of a good performance. uh, Obviously everything is not required. The students have to know what to study and what not. Everything is not required for any exam. So keeping a note helps in the way, like, I kept a note of my own, and I went through a random topic in my notebook every day before going to bed. That gives you a kind of a photographic memory. If you want to memorize any result, the result will just uh, appear like a photo in your mind of that note. And for solving problems, there are a lot of problems in internet. There are past questions in from Supremum classes. We also got a lot of resources about bulk of problems we have got. So practicing the resources are quite sufficient. What the students have to do, they have to practice daily. Like before you take out any time at the day, any time, matlab 30 to 60 minutes every day, and practice some problems, some jam problems or ISA problems or CBT problems during that time. Again, when you will have the semester exams, you will be indulged in that preparation, in the preparation of your college exams. Except that you take out time daily and practice. Practicing is the ultimate thing. The How much intelligent you are, how fast you can do problems, they are important, but the more important is how much have you practiced, how effectively you have practiced. That's it.